Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making a fabric lanyard. Use this project for a name tag, an ID, or like me, use it on a cruise ship. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern, or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric for the lanyard, a medium weight iron-on interfacing, and a swivel lobster claw clasp. First, trim away the selvages from the ends of the fabric. Center the interfacing on the wrong side of the fabric and, following the manufacturer's directions, fuse it and let it cool. Fold the strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other. Press it to make a crease and open it back up. Fold one side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the other side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the entire piece over and press it. Top stitch about 1/8 of an inch all the way around the fabric piece. Place the fabric strip around your neck and make sure the fabric strip sits smoothly with no twisting or folds, and overlap the ends. Place the flat section of the lobster clasp between the two layers of the fabric and stitch about 1/2 inch from the short end. Move the clasp out of the way and turn the lanyard inside out so the seam is on the inside. Slide the clasp back down to the end and stitch about 1/2 inch from the end to secure the raw edges on the inside. And just like that, just that fast, you have a decorative way to display yourself at work or at play. See you next time with another project.